Hey guys, welcome back to the channels. Yeah, I know I haven't uploaded a lot of video lately, but yeah, right now I'm doing it now. So I have 6 cars, just picked up from the port like a couple days ago, and this is one of them. Sorry about the background noise again. I'm trying to come here early as possible, but yeah, there's people mowing lawn. So anyway, yeah, this is the one of the kind of like hot car right now. You know, it's a Toyota Mark II, but this is the wagon version of Mark II, and the most of the all, and this car has all the body kits and everything, even the TRD sports grill on it, and it has a nice aftermarket I believe 17 inches rims. It looks pretty awesome, and the color is more like a not a white, it's more like a pearl metallic colors. There's some like a little bit of like a kind of bad paint spots, but overall the car is a good car. The inside was pretty clean too. I believe that the owner used to be customized a lot on that car, I guess. And the funny thing is, this car has the aftermarket exhaust, but it's not loud. You know, it kind of like it's like you can see that like here's exhaust, right? And the voice, the noise from the exhaust are just like a regular like growling noise, not loud at all. So it's kind of cool touch. Like, you know, you can have like a nice growling sounds, but not too loud also. So anyway, oh, the car has the 2.5 liter V6 MCV 21. They mainly use the engine on the Camry and Toyota Windham, which is like a ES 300 here, but they probably like a ES 250, I would say. So anyway, so this is a 1997 model, and it has only 80 something kilometers, so I would say around like 50,000 miles, and yeah, it's available for sales. I'm just gonna show you inside and engine also, so you can see everything's clear and close up. Yeah, overall pretty nice car. Oh, it has the Nardi steering wheel also, with the one with the wooden steering wheel. It looks very nice, and like I said, like it has the aftermarket LED lights and everything. You know, you can think of that like probably the owner really customized the car. So here it's at TRD Sports. It's nice and clear headlights, and the nice 2-color rims also. The paint is overall good condition. There's just some like a little bit of rough paint spot here. You can see that on the roof, and some spots in here on the hood too. Why do I have to choose this time to flip my car? You know, all those guys are doing the mowing grasses here. Anyway, let me show you inside. Sorry about the noise. Has a custom leather seat cover. I would say it's not aftermarket, but because it fits very nice. And beside this one, I think when I clean up, I kind of screw up and it came out. Anyway, yeah, really nice steering wheels, and it even has the the signature here. I don't know if you can see that. Yep. Oh yeah, let me start the engine. It's a nice cool air condition. It has the Pioneer CD changer, I guess, and it's automated, the climate controls, and it has a power seats and everything. It is called Mark II Qualis, and I think this is an air purifier in the back, and it does have like a Pioneer like small subwoofer underneath the passenger side chair. I mean, overall the car is in great condition. Let me show you the back. Oh, let me show you the sound of the exhaust. Yeah, it's pretty cool sound. Yeah. Here's a storage. Underneath this one, that's the spare wheel. So here's the one storage, and one more storage here too. I think the guy put the original CD player down there. And here should be another storage pocket. There's a lot of storage, a lot of room here. And here's another pocket here. And this is the cover. This guy has a lot of secret lighters, plug-in things, a bunch of it. I didn't have time to go through yet, but yeah, it does have a bunch of secret lighters, and I don't know what he do, but yep. And this is a smaller speakers from Pioneer. I don't know about this one, but here it's like a 2 remote control. I don't know what are those. And oh, this is my picture recorder. And here it's a cup holder. And I don't know if you can see it. This is the 82,000 kilometer. Really see it well. Oh, it does have a camera in the front. Is it? I think so. And it does have a camera in the back too. See? And it has like a LED interior lights and everything. Those headrests are adjustable. Let me show you the engine. Oh, the paint spot here. I'm gonna show you the close-up of the paint spot again. Maybe it's not too bad. Probably need some like professional cleaning or polishing might help. And there's some spots here. But yeah, overall sounds looks pretty good car. Oh, it has a little bit of, I don't know if you can see it, the smaller paint things. The tires are in pretty good shape. Oh, I like they have the carbon fiber style trim. So engine is pretty well maintained because you can see all those stickers here. And it's just nice, healthy V6 2.5 liter. It's V6, not inline 6. It's not the 1JZ either. And yeah, super nice car. And it drives very smooth. I drove around, and oh, here, let me show you that. It's a 2MZ FE. Yeah, I drove around here in a it's pretty good. There's no engine was pretty strong, and transmission shift pretty smooth also. So overall, a pretty nice car. Yeah, it is available for sales. You know, just put me some comments and let me know if you're interested. This is 1997 Toyota Mark II Qualis, Mark II wagon. Pretty nice clean car. All right, thank you so much, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope to upload more videos tomorrow. All right.